Hello, good morning, my people. This is Nancy from Tanzania. Now, today I want to check my cats. They are pregnant, both of them. So I want to check how they are doing with their stomachs and everything. I'm not so good with checking pregnancy for cats, but let me see. They have been sleeping, enjoying the sun, sunbathing. I don't know why they are running away. Meow, meow. Come, baby. This is the mom. This is the daughter. And this one is the mother to this one. So this is the youngest here. She's also pregnant. I don't know how many weeks, but the stomach is big. And this one, she disappeared for some times, but she was coming once in a while. But now I think she's here full time. She's also pregnant. This one, I'm not sure, but the way I'm seeing the stomach is like she's also pregnant. I don't know about this one. This is the mother, so I'm not so sure about her, if she's also pregnant or not, but I'm sure about the two. You see this one? Yeah. I think they are hungry and they want food. They are sunbathing. It's very sunny here in Dar es Salaam. This one, she's always hungry, this one. So I want to check the stomach, but they are running away. Let me see if I can be able to see. And this is our chicken. This one, I'll tell you what happened. This my chicken doesn't have hair. Why? Because my son has been grabbing the chicken every time, playing with the chicken hair, putting him on his shoulders. So now he doesn't have hair, but I think the hair will grow after some time. Not sure when, but this is the chicken. I got it from the village last month when I went there for holidays. Now this my chicken is chasing the cat, and I want to see the cat's stomach. Yeah, come here, baby. Let me see your come. Let me see your stomach. Let me see. This is the mom and this is the daughter. I think they want to eat. I have to get them some food. This, oh, maybe they're camera shy or something. I don't know, but they want to eat. I want to check properly. Hi, girls. Hi. My cats don't have names, to be honest. I don't know. I have to give them the names. This is the dustbin. I burnt some dirty things yesterday, but today there are also other papers I have to burn them. So yes, this is the second cat who disappeared and just came back recently, like full time at home. She was on and off, coming to say hi to the mom and the daughter. Now she's pregnant and she's back. Guys, this my cat, can be something else. So you disappeared, now you're back because you're pregnant. Okay, I'm the mom here, I'll take care of you, don't worry. This is my chicken. I don't know where is the chicken is going. So my cat is here trying to relax and the chicken is disturbing my cat, you see. I'll check the stomach later. I want to see, but I think they're not in the mood at the moment. I'll check them after. And the mother is here sunbathing. This is the mom. Okay guys, I'll get the cat the food and then talk to you guys later. Bye bye.